So for today's episode, we are going to talk about ordering food from a karenderia in Bisaya. If you're ready, let's get started. Normally, when you walk into a karenderia or if you show up in a karenderia, so the vendor, the tindero or the tindera will greet you first, right? Kasi maayong buntag or maayong udto or maayong hapon or gabi. So for example, I'm the vendor. Maayong hapon sir or maayong hapon ma'am, unsa atua? So unsa atua is basically asking what would you like or what do you want? And if you're unsure of what to order, you can simply say unsa imong ma-recommend. Again, the phrase to ask is unsa imong ma-recommend. It's basically asking what would you recommend? And then the tindero or tindera will tell you what he or she recommends. For example, kini among adobo sir or ma'am. Tapos kinipud among afritada. So what I'm basically saying is our adobo and afritada are the food that I would recommend. And then if you have like certain preference to food, for example, you don't like too salty or too sweet, you can always ask, parat bani kaayo? Parat bani kaayo? It means, is it too salty? And then if you don't like food that are too sweet, you can ask, tamis bani kaayo? Is it too sweet? Tamis bani kaayo? Because many Filipino food, for some foreigners, it can be too salty or too sweet. So um, if you have preference for food to be not too salty or too sweet, those phrases can come in handy. And to ask for the price, you can say tag pila ni. Tag pila ni. How much is that? You can ask tag pila na. Tag pila na. And then if it's time to get your change and if you want that person to keep the change, you can say ayaw na imuha na ng sukli. Again, you can say ayaw na imuha na ng sukli. Hope you learned something new today. And if you have more suggestions and topics that you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod